Okay, so river flows in U. I'm gonna begin on measure 9, and I'm gonna go into the second page, and we'll stop at the first section. So for this particular part, I'm gonna begin from measure 8. So left hand E, right hand A. So now we're gonna have series of 16 notes going non-stop like a little train. So I probably should do the right hand first slowly. A, A, B, A, G sharp. Now we're gonna go up A, B, C sharp, D, E, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, B. And then those are 2 8 notes. Then back again to melody, which is the same. Again, if you can see, I have my thumb on A, E, C sharp, G sharp, B. Now we're gonna have 30 seconds here, so it's like a little hop. G sharp, E. And that's the first section, right hand. So if you notice, it's same melody over and over and over and over, with a little bit variation on the rhythm, which is genius, in my opinion. Let's go to the left hand. So left hand will have a little stretchy 8 notes. So we'll start with F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and F sharp. Then it moves down to D, A, E, down to D. This one is a stretchy one. A, E, C sharp, back to A. Then we move to E, and then it repeats again. F sharp, D, A, E, A, E, C sharp, A, and back to E. And then the second page, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, D, A, E, D, A, E, C sharp, A, and down below E, B, G sharp, E, F sharp, D, and we're finishing up with A, E, C sharp, back to A, E, B, G sharp. Now we're gonna try hands together slowly. So I'm gonna again start from the previous measure into continuation. So that's the end of the first section on the second page. All right. Stay tuned, more to come.